Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a rubber lip guard for the bottom of your bumper here. Let's go take a look at the materials that we'll need for this video. Alrighty, so I went ahead and ordered one of these kits on Amazon that came with the bumper guard there. As you can see, I went ahead and got the carbon fiber finish with a little red lip, and then the red at the top there is the 3M double-sided adhesive that we're going to use to attach to the car. I've got a pair of scissors here. We're gonna make cuts along that back side there where the adhesive is so that we can shape it to the bumper. They also gave us some screws just in case we wanted to mount it up with the screws instead of just the adhesive. There's some alcohol cleaning pads, and of course you can just use regular rubbing alcohol if you need more. And then there's the samurai, I guess, logo sticker that we're gonna be sticking on there. So let's go ahead and match this thing up to the car, get our cuts made so that we can bend it to the right directions, and then we'll get it attached to the car. Before cleaning our surface, I went ahead and measured out where our first turn was going to be and feathered some cuts in there with the scissors. This stuff is really easy to cut, so just some regular, shears, scissors will cut right through it. But yeah, you're gonna wanna make sure that you feather some cuts in so that you can go around the curves of your bumper a little easier with this stuff, although it is already very malleable to begin with. So yeah, you're gonna wanna go ahead and follow the curves all the way around, make your cuts, and then before applying, we will clean our surface. Also, before applying the lip guard, we're going to put the decal on. We're probably gonna put it about right here. Go ahead and lay the strip out all the way across where your bumper is and kind of just match up where you want it to be with an open spot, or where you think it'll look good with whatever designs you currently have. I'll probably go about right here so that it'll sit somewhere kind of in this area right here. I've got these stripes right here and my red tow hook there, so something right in this area would look good. Then it's time to go ahead and start cleaning with the pads. I've already started with this one. You can see all the gunk that I'm taking off from the bottom. Make sure you go ahead and go under everywhere where you're going to attach the 3M adhesive. You don't want any contaminants, any oil, any dust and dirt and grime getting in between the surface and the adhesive. Now that our surface is clean, we can go ahead with the install. To help me, I've actually got a little camp stool set up here that's going to hold the rest of the lip up so that it doesn't begin pulling on the adhesive before it sets really good. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel this off and then start sticking it under there and then make our curves and everything as we go. All right, so we've made it around our first curve here, and basically we're just gonna be doing the same thing all the way across the front. I'm slowly taking this off as I go so I don't get anything on the adhesive before it actually gets attached to the car. And yeah, we'll pick it up once we get to the other side of the car. All right, so when I got down here to this little plastic piece where the bumper actually separates from this other piece of my bumper, I ran into just a little bit of trouble with the adhesive. So I decided to go ahead and put in a screw. I've got one right here in the back. I'll show you under the car here in just a second so you can see it. But basically all I did was I just took a leather punch, or you could use an ice pick, basically any sharp pointed instrument, poked a little starter hole, and then I just took a screwdriver and drove the screw up through this bottom plastic piece. And there's our screw so far. As you can see, it's in the plastic piece that's kind of under the bumper there. Now that we've made it around the rest of the front, all we've got left to do is this bit here, and then we'll cut off the excess with our scissors there, and then we'll take a step back and see what it looks like. Alrighty everybody, we are finished, and here's what she looks like. I've got to say, for as cheap as that was and as easy as an install, that's definitely worth it. I mean, if you're looking to add just a little more pop to your car, kind of make it look like you've got a racing lip kit, that's definitely the way to go. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out some more of my videos on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.